the TH only. The moment it gets closed, there will be a high temperature of the fluid. The TH will come. I will take the same thing. So
yeah, it will come in approximately 10-15 minutes.
Yes, yes. So, but we will have the same remark. In case of TH, we have to give the correct response time. Yeah. So we will take the same remark here for these cases. So guys, here the RRV is less than 1. Even very less than 1, that means if you wish, this is not SIL rated. There is no need for any rating for this SIL. But as per ADNOC standard, any ship should be and must be minimum SIL 1. So I will put in the chairman remark, then even there is no SIL rated, nothing is required, but we have to maintain the minimum rating is SIL 1. Okay. Guys, good. Now guys, we are going for the second shift is PSDL 10.
That remark you have written, minimum SIL 1 requirement as per ADNOC standard.
Yeah. SIL as per ADNOC. Rated, right? Even
But this sheet should be automated as per ADNOC standard. Now we are saying a SIL level required, no SIL rated, but as if no SIL rated, it should be SIL 1. Automatically it should be there.
In fact, there is no provision in the software which we can set, but we will put in the chairman note that even if there is no SIL rated, by default it will be SIL 1, and I will put in the chairman remark also the same thing.
But this sheet you cannot modify for future projects.
There is no provision. There is no provision to make a rule set in the software. Even for SIL XLNT also there is no provision.
محمد محمد